Today's video, it's a 2-minute tip. Nobody likes dealing with the toilet, especially when you have to remove it and replace it with a new one. It can be a dirty, kind of grimy job because you're dealing with the excess water that's left in the toilet, and then of course you gotta scrape the old wax ring off the floor. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to eliminate some of that unpleasantness. So let's get started. Hey, I'm getting ready to install a new toilet here in this bathroom. And to do that, well, I've got to pull the old toilet. Now, there's something called an S-trap inside the toilet. And what it does is it creates a water barrier so that gas can't escape back into the house. So even though you shut off the water to the toilet and you drain the toilet in the tank, there's still water left in that bowl. Now to remedy that, there's a product that you can purchase that you add to the water in the bowl and it solidifies it so that when you pull that toilet, you're not dripping water throughout the house. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lift the lid here and I'm gonna take the package and I'm gonna open it up. As you can see, there's still just a little bit of water left in the bowl. And these crystals here, they'll solidify it. It won't be hard, it'll be like a gel substance. So there we go, and we're just gonna dump it in right like that. And we wanna give it about 4 minutes to set. All right, it's been about 4 minutes and the water has, gelled up. I'll place a pencil in it so you'll know what to expect. And if you intend on reinstalling the toilet, no worries, because once you turn the water on, it reliquefies. I don't have to worry about any spillage as I pull the toilet and carry it through the home. Link in the description below so you can check this out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.